What's good, and welcome back to Investing with Jack. So we're going to hop into Safemoon. We're going to go straight into the technical analysis because I know most of you are already up to date with all the news with Safemoon. 1.6 million holders, 500K followers. They have the wallet coming out. So they're constantly releasing news. But guys, in a bull market, you don't really need news for a coin to skyrocket. It's more about the technical analysis. It's more about the buying pressure, which is what we are seeing right now with Safemoon. So I just want to enlarge this so you guys can see it here. So you can see here, I'm going to take the fib and then I'll redraw it. So we're here on the Safemoon chart, and the price is heavily influenced by whales. As many of you guys know, we had that huge whale sell-off. Now, guys, we bounced straight off this white line here, this 200 EMA. We saw that buying pressure. We tried to use the 20 EMA as support. We lost it, and then more bulls stepped in, and it's just soaring the price. Now, guys, you see this yellow line here? That's your 20 EMA. You see this red line? That's your 50 EMA. And when this 20 EMA crosses over the 50, it's a bullish cross, meaning that you're going to see an upward trend. And now you're seeing the price of Safemoon currently fly. So I'm going to pull out your Fibonacci, and this gives you your price targets. You pull it from the peak of your last swing high all the way down to your low, and it will give you your price target. So you can see here, one of our key levels that we needed to break, that we haven't broken for quite a while, is 58654, and you can see right now we're trying to break it and turn it into support. So the thing with many of these coins, especially these new coins, is instead of it back testing support, it just sometimes flies straight through it. As you can see with this huge first pump we had, that's what coins do in a bull market. They pump and then they sell off, and then they pump and then they sell off. That's the game that we play with all these coins. You're very rarely going to see a coin steadily climb in a bull market, especially anything that's new. You're going to see huge pumps followed by major corrections. If we look at the size of this correction here for Safemoon, you're looking at 60%, which is very common. If you look at Wink right now, 60% correction. If you look at BTT, you're going to see a similar level of correction, and we've seen it. So we might be seeing our next pump for Safemoon. If we break this key level at 58832, around that level right here was resistance. A very key level to break. It looks like we're trying to break it right now. Then we head up to what's called the golden ratio right here at 0.618 on the Fibonacci. Guys, if we break through the golden ratio, it's a clear sign we're going to go back up and tackle this high. However, as I've said, the price is heavily influenced by whales. If whales decide to sell off like they did right here, you can see a huge plummet really fast, and then bulls can step in to keep driving the price up, and a lot of bulls are stepping in right now, which is what I'm going to show you. So guys, if we break through the Fibonacci, if we break through the golden ratio at 0.618, it's a clear signal that will go tackle this high. And if we go up and tackle this high, guys, your next price target is up here at 126364. All right, guys. Now, if you bought in at this bottom right here, or kind of around this area, it's about a 347% gain from that area. Now, guys, if we were to blow through that, as you know, with these pumps, it's possible before we see a correction, you're looking at 186732, which would be a juicy gain from this bottom here of about almost 600%. If we were to break through, this target here and go straight up there, you'd be looking at about, what was it, about 600, 700, 500% gain for Safemoon. Now, as I've mentioned, the price is heavily influenced by whales, so you're hoping your whales hold on, but it's beautiful to see that bullish cross. Now I'm going to pop it over onto the 1 day for you guys. Okay, so you can see here on the 1 day, we found our support along the 20 EMA. I don't know why it's not showing the 50. I think that's the 50 there, but the chart is glitched out. So if we pump, you might see something similar like this, where we go up to tackle that high again. And then we might even break the high and start to roll over at this level here on the Fibonacci at 88941. But it's hard to predict because the pumps are just sometimes so massive, especially with these new coins. But your key level, the thing that you guys want to watch for everyone that's invested into Safemoon, is that you break the golden ratio at 0.618 on the Fibonacci right here. You're getting close to it. I mean, it's pumping quick, because that would be a clear sign that you're going to go back up to this high where you're going to see some serious resistance, because so many people bought up here. So you're probably going to see a lot of people buying and selling right up at that high. But if we break that high, that's a clear sign we're going to go straight up to that next price target. All right, guys. Now there's one more thing I want to show you. I don't want to make this video too long. Okay, guys, look at the buying pressure right now. You see all this green, 1,392. Like, hella people are buying Safemoon right now because they believe the next pump is here. Look, it's all green, guys. Green, green, green. There's no red. It's just coming in green there. One sale, green, green, 2,360. Constant buying action right now, pushing the price up. Like, just people are buying like crazy because they believe that this is the next. Look at this, because they believe it's the next pump, and it very likely could be. All right, guys, so keep an eye on that golden ratio at the price target 66132, 618 on the Fib, 0.618. It would be a clear sign that we're going to go tackle our high. All right, guys, so this is what you guys have been waiting for with Safemoon. I do have a bag of Safemoon as well. And it's beautiful to see. Always look at the technical analysis, because news doesn't always affect the price. It's more about what's happening if the bulls choose to step in. And you can see we bounced right off the 200 EMA, and then we started to see that buying pressure, and now the price is going up. Yes, the news affects it. Of course, the news affects it. But in a bull market, many coins will pump regardless of news. It's not so dependent on the news. It's dependent on the buyers. It's dependent on the technical analysis, the chart patterns, to see where the price is going to go. So hopefully this pump continues. Keep an eye on the golden ratio. If we break that, we're going to head for a high, and then after that for that new price target, which would be I think it was about a 400% gain, 500% gain from our bottom. All right, guys, so that's it for Safemoon. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, check out the Discord, Patreon link in the bio, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.